Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Listeners, US markets were closed on Monday. US stock futures and Asian markets are trading flat, and Singapore Nifty is trading down 50 points. But the most worrying part is the jump in crude oil prices. Brent crude is trading at $122 per barrel due to a partial ban on Russian oil from European leaders. OPEC meeting is also scheduled, and we need to see that how actually crude prices performs in the current week. Dollar index, which was around 101.40, is again at 101.80, and 10-year bond yield is around 2.85. So there are few developments in the world markets, and all these developments are again going to focus, or the overall focus will remain on the inflation and inflation related concerns. Finally, yesterday we saw market crossing the levels of 16,400 confidently. Not only it has broken 16,400 but also 16,500, 16,600, and finally it closed above the levels of 16,600, which is positive for the market. The overall short-term structure of the market is clearly indicating us that if there is any correction, meaningful correction, then we should look for adding some long positions. Around 16,500, 550, the market is having excellent support. There we should look for adding some long positions. Currently it is at 16,650. So the possibilities of hitting 100, 150 points lower from current levels are very high. There we should look for adding some long positions. On the higher side, till the market is not crossing 16,700, we need to be careful, or we should look for taking some profit on the long positions, or we should be buyer only and only if the market is crossing 16,700. In that case, the possibilities of hitting 16,800 would turn bright, where the market is having ultimate resistance, and above that we could see the levels of 16,950. On the downside, it should not close below the mark of 16,500, because below that there is huge amount of put writing, and in that case the unwinding of put options will start. Writing of put options will start, and we may even see the levels of again 16,400 or 16,300. So 16,400 is the important crucial level to watch out for, and based on that only we can design our trading strategy. For the bank Nifty, there also we saw some profit taking at higher levels, and it closed around 35,800, 850. The next level to watch out for would be 35,600, 35,650, where the market has left bullish gap. There we are expecting some buying support for the bank Nifty, and if there is any reversal activity on the Nifty, then we can expect similar sort of activity in bank Nifty also. For the day, we are going to focus again on technology companies, on which we were discussing that they have fallen heavily and they should recover back. So yesterday we saw smart rally from almost all the IT companies. Nifty IT index was around some 27,400 in the previous week. Currently it is at 29,700. So we saw spectacular recovery from the lower levels. Auto stocks are doing well, so there also we need to focus. And finally, a few metal companies which have fallen to their important support levels, there we need to keep a close watch, and based on their reversal formation we can take some trade. But for the time being, we are going to focus specifically on IT companies. Friends, that's all from my side for the day. With this, I am ending today's morning call. Thank you and have a great day to all of you.